Good day mga kids! Para sa third quarter ng grade 1, ang pag-uusapan natin ay fraction. This figure tells us that the rectangle represents one whole. If such one whole is divided into two, there will be a fraction. If one whole is made to be broken into smaller equal parts, a fraction will be made. Each part must be equal. One part is called 1/2. How about if one whole is divided into 4 parts? Let's count the number of parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 parts. 4 becomes our denominator. For every part, we call that 1/4. In the figure below, what does red represent? The red represents 2/4 of the whole. In fraction, we call the 3 parts as 3/4. We call this fraction as 4/4 and is equal to 1. The fraction of the yellow part is 2/4, while the red part is 2/4. In this example, the yellow part is 3/4, while the red is called 1/4. Remember this, all parts of the fraction must be equal. In order for your child to be a master in mathematics, please join my free online class based on DepEd's MTLC Most Essential Learning Competency Monday to Saturday. Grades 1 to 6 are most welcome. Learn more about my program on YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook.